everybody, it's TheModernNative. This is Nate. We are starting our companion garden. There's going to be companion planted with their friends that they like to grow next to the industrial garden, and then our garden, which is going to be basically wild. So, this is Native is starting bed. I should have told her to put out the string and shoot it out like I did, but, you know, whatever. Now I put up the posts so that way she can hide, and then she can use those for the next beds as we go. So she's just got to rake this over and then put compost on it. So it's all good. It's all about the process. I am over there digging. So stay tuned. So this is my fodder station. Now, fodder is sprouted grains and grasses to be able to feed your livestock for a cheaper price, because it's 1 pound of seed can make 8 pounds of fodder once it's sprouted. And that's all it is. It's just sprouting it so that way it has more body to it and it's got some greens and more nutrition. So I have barley, alfalfa, wheatgrass, and oats. So I'm going to do one of each and then a mixed one of all of them. So we're going to set this up and I'm going to show you guys how I do it. And yeah, meanwhile we have our little ducklings. This is just a temporary thing until I get them a bigger spot. But they're doing great. Some little Pekings. Oh, I know. I know. Yeah. And I'm using a ceramic lightless heat bulb. Produces heat. Keeps it nice and warm in here, but it doesn't have any light, so I don't have to worry about it being on at night, messing up their circadian rhythms. So it's perfect. Yes, dickies. Alrighty, so like I was saying, it's alfalfa, barley, that's right, alfalfa, wheatgrass, barley, and oats. And then the mix. Sorry, I'm so shaky. But that is our complete fodder station. Should take a few days. All right. Bam.
I'm all sweaty.
Just getting you taking care of the animals.
Oh, good. You can hear me taking care of the other ones too. Not even. Not a chance, Rory. Wait, what's up, Bubba? Why are you not eating? Was it too hot today, honey? Hi, little man. You want some more hay?
think your squeaker broke. You know I'm going right there. Why do you go there? Whoa. There's attack.
Alrighty, everybody. That's just our quick update for now, showing you guys what we got going on up there and what we've been doing. But for now, until next time, don't forget to get out there, be a native. Go Beast.